right, so out here at a property, we're gonna preview it here, kind of show you guys what I look for when I'm looking at property. So to flip, I'm looking at this house. The roof looks good. We're on a private street here, which is even better. Now let me take y'all inside. It has nice mature hedges. I like that. I would keep these. I would not get rid of them. Okay. All right, so we're at the front door here. I see it's missing a handle on this storm door. No problem, we'll change that. This door actually looks pretty good. If we can do any repairs on it, we would, and just put a new handle on it here. Now going in, wow, this house is spectacular here. What I love this foyer. Some people would probably change this tile. I am going to keep it. It's gonna have character for this home. I think this was built in 1975. This would not make anybody not buy the home the way this foyer tile looks. I like these staircases. It's wider than normal, which is a plus here. So let's go this way. Let's see. We got hardwood floors here. We would definitely be keeping these. Now I noticed as soon as I come in, baseboard heating system. So that tells me that maybe the central is out, or there is no central, or something. But nevertheless, these baseboard heaters, we would get rid of them, okay, and have a nice clean look and change the baseboard. So as we come through here, the kitchen, and woo, I love this big picture window here. This is gonna be good for eating dining room table. Now, as I look, I see this imperfection in the ceiling here. So that's gonna tell me there's some type of water issue right away, whether it's active or not, but that has to be checked out and addressed. So that tells me there's gonna be a bathroom of some sort over this area. Now, wow, looking at this kitchen here, this is spectacular. I'm loving this kitchen. It is very large, and in my experience, and I'm sure you guys experience, when you entertain, I don't care if you have a bonus room in your house, everybody wants to be in the kitchen. And this kitchen here, everybody can be in this kitchen. So I see this is where the refrigerator would go. These cabinets are actually looking very good to me. I'm thinking we're gonna keep these cabinets. These are actually very good cabinets. We have a trash compactor. We're gonna change that trash compactor out. I'm thinking right now we'll do a wine cooler there. And I'm thinking what we'll do in this kitchen is, of course, take these countertops up. This is ugly, but we'll take the countertops, we'll put some high-end granite or high-end quartz in here, and we'll do a nice tile backsplash, and we'll change these, the finishing knobs, pull features on these cabinets, and clean them up. Another thought is to paint them, but I don't think we're gonna paint them. So let's see. I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna spin around, and seems like it was an addition, and seems like it was maybe a handicapped person. So we have this ramp here, which of course we'll remove, and there are stairs there. These grab bars, though, I think I might just save these. I don't think anybody would have an issue with having these grab bars, actually. So wow, so I'm coming in here. This is a nice addition for everybody to hang out at. Nice deck area. We'll just do some rehab on that. Rehab the deck. Now I'm looking at the paneling. I know people say, well, you know, your first thought is to take the paneling down and put drywall. You do not need to do that, okay? You do not need to do that. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna paint this paneling, and it's gonna be spectacular. I have to decide whether, of course, this carpet would go up, but we have to decide whether we're gonna put carpet back or what type of flooring. It's gonna be, you know, probably would put carpet back in this particular area here. See, and we keep going. Wow. And this house just keeps going. Okay, this is what you look for when you're buying a house: space and location. And this definitely has the space. So this was another addition, it seems like, at some point. Behind here is a 2-car garage. I can see that from the outside. Baseboard heat. What I'll do in here is, right now this is a 3-bedroom. But what we'll do is add a closet somewhere in this room, and we'll turn this into a 4-bedroom here. And I always come and look at the panel box, because you do not want Federal Pacific. Once again, Federal Pacific panel boxes, you will have to change it. So right here, this is a square D, so we're good. We do not have any electrical panel issues here for the electricians. That saves on our budget. All right, we'll come out of here, go up the ramp, and I didn't discuss the flooring. Of course, in this kitchen, we're gonna change out the flooring, and we're gonna do either a tile hardwood flooring look, or we'll do some type of hardwood to match up with this flooring here. It's not going to match up with the color, but to match up with the style. So this is great. When you look at a home, this is great. The floor feels good in here. And then we come here. This is the bathroom downstairs. And wow, this is amazing. This bathroom is already done. Of course, we'll take the baseboard heat out. I'm looking at these windows. If you can notice, this wood windows here. We'll take all the wood windows and we'll change them and put vinyl replacement windows. And this has a walk-in shower. Wow. If y'all can see this, this is some good work. Nice tile color, very neutral, nothing offensive. So this is a hit here. This will stay. We'll just clean this up. And this will stay just like this. This is great. And this would be great for somebody that's in the downstairs bedroom. Okay, which would be the 4th bedroom. So we'll come out. We'll go right. Wow. We have, a laundry room. This thing is huge. Huge laundry room. This is great. And I always like to look at the hot water heater. And the hot water heater looks fairly new, in very good condition. Looking at the pan here. Now I do see one issue. We will have to get the plumber to run a pipe out of here, out, underneath and out the house in case we do have a leak. So that would not damage the floors in the home in case we have a hot water leak. All right, so we're coming from the kitchen and we're gonna turn here. And this looks like would be the formal dining room right off the kitchen. This looks very good. Once again, in here, we'll just be painting, remove the baseboard heaters, change these windows. Okay, wood windows, we'll be changing those. All wood windows, we'll change them. And right off here, we're back to the front door, the foyer area. And looks like we have French doors. This looks pretty good. I like that. So this is gonna be our formal living room. Hardwood floors in here. Looks very good. Once again, what I'm looking at also, baseboard heats. We'll take those out, replace the baseboard. But I also see floor vents here. So that tells me that there's some type of central system, but I don't know if it was updated, upgraded at some point, is why those baseboard heats are still here, but nevertheless, we'll get rid of those. There is not a lighting feature in the ceiling here, you can see. So we may add one, but normally what they did was, I see this switch here. So one of these outlets, mini outlets on the wall, which they have a lot, will be operated by this switch here, by some type of lamp. Okay, this is very good. Now next, we'll go upstairs. All right, so we're upstairs. And we're gonna go here. This is the master bedroom, so this looks very good size. 2 closets. So we're always looking for that, looking for space in the master. And I really like this ceiling work with this texture. So I do not want to disturb this. This is a selling feature, in my opinion. Never had anybody push back on nice textured ceilings. Okay, of course the carpet is gonna have to go, and we'll replace it with more carpet. Let's see these closets, how deep they go. Oh wow, so it goes all the way through, and it has lights installed here as well. It's very good closet. I also want to bring light to these intercom systems. Of course, we'll be getting rid of those, and we'll have to do some type of drywall. Unfortunately, they have swirls on the wall here, so we have to figure out how we're going to address that. Then we'll come here, and this looks like a sitting area for ladies to do their makeup. Then what we'll do, let's see, this is a laundry chute, pretty cool. So you throw your clothes in here, it's gonna go down into the laundry room. I'm gonna keep that feature because that's unique to the home, and people love that. Buyers love that, something unique that somebody else does not have, and you don't get a laundry chute these days. All right, this is the master bath. So we got 2 sinks, flooring, the shower. Okay, so everybody likes large master baths. So I think what we're gonna do with this is, if y'all follow me back out here, I think what we'll do is right here, I think we'll take this space and we'll extend it. We'll extend the master bath all the way, and we'll make a tub. Let's I think we'll get a sitting tub in here, soaking tub, and a shower. Just redo the whole master bath. I think we can make this thing work here and make it larger, and sit a tub right there by that window. Now the laundry chute might be an issue with my thought, but that's what I think we'll do. Let's see, then we'll come out and we'll walk across, and this is a full bath here. Okay, in here I'm looking, the flooring looks good. We're gonna keep that flooring. Faucet looks good. We're gonna keep that faucet. We'll definitely change this lighting in here. We'll definitely change those sconces. We'll definitely get rid of this medicine cabinet. Of course, change the windows. This tub, what we'll do here is we'll call a company to come spray it and re-epoxy glaze it, because these finishings are very good that they already have in here, and they're pretty good quality here, so no need to change that. But when we're done, the epoxy company will have this looking like brand new, and we'll just come in here and paint. Okay, this house will get carpet throughout. So another bedroom, not much to do, paint. Closets, I mean, 2 closets in here as well. This is pretty large. All right, and we'll pan out. We'll go to this 3rd bedroom upstairs. 2 windows, a lot of light. Once again, we'll put carpet and paint, baseboard, get rid of those. Now this is very unique to the home. So I'm gonna step back. So we're gonna come here, and here's the closet. So we're gonna come here, and boom, we have this little secret room here. This is awesome, guys. You don't get this in a new construction type home. I mean, look at this. So we're gonna, of course, assess that window AC unit. Of course, assess the roof for any leaks, put drywall. And this is gonna be an extra room. I don't even think they even counted this as square footage. But guess what? We're gonna make the city recount it now. Then we come through here. Ooh, and if y'all could see this, I don't know. I'm not gonna go deep in here. This is the attic over the garage, and these are stairs going down into the garage. So this is a pretty unique feature. You could do anything you want in here. This could be a panic room. This could be your way to get out. This could be a bonus room for kids if you ventilated it correctly. This is a very awesome feature. And like I said, you don't get this. Very awesome feature. So we come up here. So I'm back down here in the kitchen, and actually one of my assistants was walking through here, and I noticed a squeak on this floor. And this is what I want, this right here. That right there. If y'all hear that, just be aware. You may have to do some floor joist work or something. This house isn't leaning or anything, but there are some bad floor joists. And this right here may tell you that there may be an issue. So please, please, please remember this, okay, when you're walking. If it's that loud, you might have a major issue, okay? Just put it in your budget and just be aware of it. What buyers want? A yard. This yard goes all the way to that stake. And back there is a pond. That structure over there is on the property. And you have a 2-car garage detached, plus a 2-car garage on the side. So this is a win-win when you're looking, okay, as far as size, location, and amenities. I'm looking at this rollout awning here, which is great. A great feature. And this deck, like I said, we'll come out here, we'll change whatever boards we need to change, and we'll rehab that. We may even put a nice railing on here. And this is a great property. Now also look at the trees, okay? You're gonna have to trim the trees off the roof. Okay, I'm looking at that. And I'm looking how close trees are. Like this tree here is so close to that foundation, we might just go and cut that tree out just to save the buyers any headache in the future, because that root is right there, and it's right against the house, and that's going to be a large tree. And over here we need to clean up the yard. There's a little Buddha there over here, if y'all can see that. So whoever had it took care of this place when they were here. I see a little Japanese maple. That tells us a lot. You see a Japanese maple, they're very expensive, and that tells us that the person that used to live here really loved the home. So this has been Tiny Flipper's Flip Tip Home. I hope you guys enjoyed and of the things that I pointed out. So when you're out shopping for homes to flip, to make money, you'll take some of these tips and turn it into gold. And this concludes our walkthrough.